My name is Rich Janikowski. I'm the research partner for the Memphis SPI from the University of Memphis. The Memphis SPI is a multi-dimensional prevention, intervention, and enforcement effort. We're focused on two major strategies, those involving offender-based approaches and those involving place-based approaches. In the offender-based strategies, we have basically two approaches. One is a set of enforcement strategies, for example, using task forces on burglary and robbery to target hotspots that have been identified through both MPD and the university crime analysis. Second, we're working on intelligence enhancement by use of a gang task force. That gang task force in approximately 9 months has identified 618 new gang members. That intelligence will become the basis for both enforcement and intervention strategies being launched. Our place-based strategies involve one, community mobilization and capacity building. We have been doing that through an enhanced drug market intervention. We have completed 2 call-ins and in 2 different areas for the DMI. But we also believe that there has to be an enhanced DMI model. Following the call-ins, we've been working with community groups to build community capacity to intervene with other offenders, with places that are locations for drug dealing, and for building community capacity. One of the techniques we've been using in that is the creation of police joint agency teams. Those police joint agency teams involve the police department, the health department, fire department, code enforcement, and community residents to prioritize blighted properties and develop interventions for those blighted properties. Fourth strategy is our apartment community strategy. Crime analysis has revealed that the apartment communities tend to be, or some of the apartment communities tend to have very high concentrations of both robbery and burglary. As a result, we've developed a crime prevention training program for apartment managers. It's delivered at monthly apartment manager meetings. The result of the crime prevention training has been that from approximately 10 managers out of 80 complexes that were attending the monthly meetings, we're up to between 40 and 50 now. Surveys with those managers have also revealed that over 70% of them tell us they have taken aspects of the crime prevention training and implemented them within their apartment complexes. We also, in our fifth set of strategies, are involved in coalition building. Our first coalition involves a group of the apartment managers who represent about 60% of the apartment complexes in the Old Allen Precinct area, which is the focus area for the Memphis SPI. And we're finalizing an agreement with those owners to implement a certification program that involves both crime prevention through environmental design and support for site-based services for at-risk residents. A second coalition we have been building is with a SAMHSA-funded initiative on wraparound services, Just Care Family Network, which will allow us to refer juvenile offenders and their families for wraparound services and the development of treatment plans. Data analysis of arrests in the Old Allen Precinct reveals that over 27% of our arrests for burglary are for of juveniles 17 or under, and about 26% of our arrests for robbery. That's a significant number of folks that need wraparound services. Thus, the Memphis initiative continues to evolve as a multi-dimensional approach to reducing crime in the Old Allen Precinct.